Today's Highway 30 is brought to you by the letter O. O is for oak.
Oh.
Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy.
And I'm Sarah, and we're here to help you get creative for fall.
Yes! Today we're crafting with box 286.
286.
Yeah, this is going to be a fun one, as they always are.
I think we always say that.
Yeah, because why would we create one that's not fun?
Oh, so fun.
We have these styrofoam
Rings.
Wreaths. I wanted to say O's.
They are O's. They're styrofoam O's.
And we're going to create a wreath with these.
We've got two really cool options for this kit, so you'll see that.
These were inspired by some little felt wreaths that we saw, but we're not going to use felt for ours. We have some different fabrics.
Yeah,
we're going to choose.
Fabrics are cycled.
Yes, we just recently
Yes,
went to another Zero Landfill.
That time of year.
If you didn't see, last year we went and we made some really cute ornaments. I think there was a couple videos that we made things from, and I'll link to some of those below. This year we got to do a lot of helping out.
We did. We went for an entire day. We were there kind of midway through the end, so it was really hard not to just grab everything that was left. We did snag some very cool textiles.
Yes. So we're gonna use those, and let's get started.
Let's go.
So first step is to take our drop cloth fabric and we're gonna wrap the whole ring in drop cloth. Blech.
Yeah, we just want to cover up the styrofoam, which is going to be great for putting the pins in, but we want to cover it up and make it look a little more rustic.
So I think we'll start with just a couple of pins to keep it in. And then just get to wrapping.
I was going to wrap, but I won't.
Oh,
Won't do it.
if you were gonna rap a song, what song would you rap?
I was going to make up my own song.
Oh, rap about
Rap about rapping.
rapping about wreaths. While we wrap the wreaths,
The wreath wrap.
we can wrap a wreath.
Blah, 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 blah.
We can do a wreath wrap while we wrap the wreath. Right?
Yeah, and maybe you could just find some rap music to play while we do this.
Yeah. I guess we could take the second wrap before we pin.
That's a good point. Too close together.
You're gonna have plenty. I was just thinking I'm probably gonna have extra, so you can keep wrapping,
Yeah, just get it on there.
or you could cut it off if you want.
I am not gonna have plenty.
Oh, you did a tight wrap.
So if this happens,
We didn't glue
trust
it.
us
Yeah.
that this will cover. I wrapped a little too close together over here, and all you've done is pin it. So
So she gets to do it again.
I just wanted to do it twice. Okay, so I think the first thing we should do is probably, essentially we're making picks with our leaves so that they just have the pin on them and then they'll just be ready to poke in and then we can play around and spend all the time figuring out where they
Where?
Exactly. So maybe we just set these aside for a moment. Sniff your hot glue.
Smells like Christmas.
Okay.
All right, so do these have, they do have kind of a pointy end and a rounded end. So we're gonna put the pin on the edge.
We're gonna put the pin on the edge.
Okay.
So some of these do, you've got virus protection.
Sweet.
Some of these do have an obvious front and back. The feltier ones don't. The cool thing is when you order this kit, you're not necessarily, you might get some of these fabrics, you're not necessarily gonna get these exact ones, but these are the colors you're going to get. If there is a backing to it, it's pretty obvious. Pin through somewhere just towards the bottom so you can pinch around it, because the idea is that we just wanna pinch and hot glue to cover up that pin, just like that. So you end up with
A pick.
a pick.
So now we just make 500 of them.
Ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh,
It'll take
it's gonna take a second to get in a groove. But once you get in your groove,
You're grooving. You're just going full on whatever.
messy.
Whatever.
At this point,
Who cares?
just hot glue everywhere.
Yep.
Try to think about when I lean over, not crunching my chin, because I feel like I do that and
This?
often, yeah. I'm always like,
We're not vain at all. We don't care how we look.
no.
How's it going over there?
It's going great. How are you?
Good. I'm good. Doing okay. Just, trying to glue these leaves without looking down.
Yeah.
It's going really great. It's going well.
Yeah, we can look down. It's okay.
I'm gonna wonder later why the tip of my finger is.
I mean,
Numb.
yours is on fire.
Oh, it's on high. I guess I could turn it to low.
You're
Is yours
like
a low temp?
Well, no, it's on high, but it's not steaming.
Yeah. I mean, this
Yours
is
is
like
steamy.
a workshop. I think I couldn't find my hot glue gun, so I sent my husband to buy me a new hot glue gun. So he gets me the Stanley.
It's steaming.
Can you see that? Don't touch it. This is a man's hot glue gun.
Okay. Workshop.
Right. So. It's the final lead. Da, 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 da.
I'll move these out of the way. You're not gonna get that many.
Guess
We
you
made
can't see
extra.
those. We did make extra. Because we just know this box is gonna fly off the shelves. Shelf. Actually, out of the drawers.
The drawers.
And
Fly out
drawers.
of our drawers. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, we've made all of our leaves. So now comes the creative part, or you can be as creative as you want. You could
The
copy
super
and-
stressful part.
Yeah, you could copy us exactly what we do. Or you can just add your leaves sporadically and let it come out to be whatever it is. So back to the O.
Oh.
And I'm gonna start with the white.
Me too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because I'm doing mine in quadrants.
And I'm just gonna spread out all of my colors randomly-ish. Oh, look how nice that just
I've dedicated.
sticks in there.
And spin them around. cute.
I love that. Admiring our work.
Oh, did you want to see? Oh, ta-da! These are so cute.
What are they, Sarah?
So cute.
This was fun. And I know we always say, oh, it was so quick and fun, but no.
This really was.
This wasn't quick, but that's not a bad thing.
It was therapeutic.
Yeah, we've got a little bit of time in a craft this time. So it'll take you a few minutes. I don't know about you, but I really didn't concentrate that hard on like making sure they were in the perfect spot.
No.
And it worked out.
I made myself move quickly.
Yeah.
Because again, all you have to do is pull a pick out and pop it in
Right.
another spot if you need to fill in.
So don't think too hard about it. You can also just copy exactly what we did, or you can mix it up and do whatever you want.
Yep. Yeah, so.
All right. We hope you enjoyed crafting with us today, and we hope to see you next week. So make sure to subscribe down below.
Come see us on Etsy and yes, subscribe.
See you next time.
See you next time.